Get ready to have your mind blown by a new astronomical discovery that's shaking things up in our solar system. While we all thought we knew everything about the planets and their moons, a recent revelation by scientists about the 12 moons orbiting Jupiter has completely changed our perspective. These 12 moons, among the 92 that Jupiter now has, have rewritten the rules and have given us a new understanding of our cosmic neighborhood. Join us on an out-of-this-world journey to discover the 12 moons that have transformed everything we thought we knew about our solar system. In 2018, a group of astronomers led by Scott Sheppard made a discovery that would change our understanding of Jupiter's moon system forever. Using telescopes located in Hawaii and Chile, the team discovered not one, not two, but 12 new moons orbiting around Jupiter. That's right, in just one discovery, we went from knowing 69 moons to 81. How did they do it, you might ask? Well, astronomers searched for objects that were moving in relation to the background stars, which gave them a good indication that they were orbiting Jupiter. The new moons were given temporary names like S2017J1 and S2017J2 until they could be studied more. Astronomers kept studying these new moons and were able to determine their size, distance from Jupiter, and even their orbital periods and inclinations. The most unique feature of these moons is that they have been discovered to orbit the planet in a retrograde direction. That's right, in the opposite direction from the planet's rotation. This makes them the most distant and unusual of Jupiter's 79 moons, earning them the nickname oddball. But what's even more shocking is that this retrograde motion contradicts current theories of moon formation, leaving astronomers scratching their heads and scrambling to come up with new explanations. Could it be a result of gravitational forces from other planets or collisions with other celestial objects? Or could it be a remnant of the early solar system's turbulent history? Only time and further research will tell. But there exist multiple theories regarding the formation of retrograde moons around Jupiter, with capture theory and collision theory being the most prominent ones. According to the capture theory, the retrograde moons were captured by Jupiter's gravitational pull from their original orbits around the Sun rather than formed with Jupiter. Imagine, these moons were cosmic drifters that Jupiter plucked out of space like some kind of giant celestial thief, adding them to its collection of moons. Collision theory, on the other hand, suggests that the retrograde moons are the result of a collision between two objects in the early solar system. The impact sent debris flying in all directions, some of which eventually coalesced to form the retrograde moons. By discovering these oddball moons in retrograde motion, we can gain insights into the formation and evolution of Jupiter's moon system, as well as the broader history of our solar system. Each new discovery like this can help us piece together the puzzle of how our planetary neighborhood came to be, and provides valuable information that can be used to test and refine our current theories of solar system formation and evolution. If you found this video informative, subscribing to my channel would mean a lot to me. Subscribing lets me know I'm creating helpful content and building an audience, and every subscription means a lot. Thanks for watching,